gonna harvest the rest of these. Garlic, we've already harvested 2 or 3. We did 1 too early, so it wasn't ready, but I'm still gonna do the ones that are ready. Obviously some of them, like these in the front, are not ready to be harvested, but the rest of these are ready to go, so I'm gonna grab them. So I got the majority of it out. I left these green ones that aren't ready to be harvested yet. And then I left the radish as well. And I noticed when I was digging them up, we have, I don't know, probably a pumpkin growing here. And then we have our green onions obviously there. So I'm just gonna till this part where there are no onions. I'm gonna till here and then probably put soybeans maybe? I don't know. We'll see. I have this 5-pound container of soybeans. So I'm probably just gonna do these, plant these in that area. I got it all tilled out, what I wanted tilled at least. So I think I'm just gonna sprinkle them in there and hopefully they will grow. I also have some empty space in between these beans, so I might till this out, this and this, and put some there. Can't do anything here because of the leaks, but I might, this was a walkway, but as you can see it is not a walkway now. I might till this out as well, since I have the tiller out, to put some here. Could go probably, please don't sting me, probably go back through these rows. I planted stuff here, but clearly nothing has grown. And then got carrots, and then okra, I think, here, and over there, and here. And then we have corn growing, some type of cucurbit, some type of cruciferous vegetable. I think all of these are okra. I don't remember what I planted. And there's one all the way over here, which I did not plant. So wind or bird may have carried it. I also need to plant these tomatoes, which our neighbor gave us, so I might do that as well. So I started sprinkling, so I'm gonna put the tiller away, but I got enough that I can go ahead and sprinkle some of these out. It's probably too many, but oh well. And this thing. Oop. And I got 2 rows over here from the sidewalk all the way out. So I can do those. Both sides. Okay, now it's raining harder, and I feel like my phone is going to die if it gets wet, so I'm gonna pause it and go do something else. I'm hiding under a tree right now. It's kind of a little bit pouring. It's good because I just planted the seeds, so we'll get nice rain. Look how pretty the garden looks with all of the stuff blooming. I wanted to show you guys our strawberry plants. We'll just do a garden tour if it stops raining. Oh, look at these little shits. Oh, there's 3. Yes, I know, not very vegan of me. However, they're invasive. So, and they have no predators here. And they destroy plants. So, I don't really feel bad at all. Look at the sky though. It's like blue still, but obviously cloudy. Since it's raining, I'm just gonna go ahead, I think it's got dirt all over me. I'm gonna go ahead and plant the tomato plants that we got. And yeah, it's just rain, I don't really care. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's thundering a bit, so we're being risky. Sun's out, but it's still raining. So bright, but it's so drip-droppy and thundering. I believe this way is thundering, but yeah. So I planted those 2 pots, but they broke up into 3 plants. So there's 1, 2, and then 1. Probably a horrible idea. Do you hear that bird? I was gonna go over to it and see what was wrong, but... Oh, I see what's wrong. There's a hawk. Do you guys see the hawk? Right there. Ooh. Yep, there she is. Anyways, I thought she was hurt, and so I was gonna go see her. I thought maybe a baby bird was hurt. I don't know, but it was a hawk. Okay, I'll have to show you guys the garden real quick because, let's see, can I turn this around? Look at those skies. They're so dark. So I'm gonna show you guys the garden real quick, and then maybe another time we can do a more in-depth one. I have dirt all over me. Okay, so this isn't really what we've planted, but these here are blue vervain, and then we have our persimmon grove, unintentionally. More persimmons, just so you can see the persimmon grove better. Apple tree, more persimmon trees, elderberry. There's blackberry in here. There's actually some to pick. Ooh, it is thundering. Elderberry, a bunch of weeds that we need to cut. We have more blackberries here. We didn't plant these are just wild. I'm gonna leave these for the kids to pick later because there's a lot. I don't like blackberries. Oh my gosh. It really looks like it's gonna storm. But something about wild blackberries, bomb.com. We have cantaloupe here that we just threw out from compost. These little things are supposed to be lentils. Our peas are done. We have some purple sweet potato. We need to plant more of this. I already showed you guys this garden. And then back there we have our flowers. And more flowers back here. We have our bee balm, which the bees love. Strawberries are just going wild. Our fig tree right here. Flower. I'm about to get poured on. Fennel, not fennel, dill, oregano, strawberries, raspberry. This whole thing is strawberries. And then this and this are blueberry plants, which don't ever do anything. Look at the sky though. We should probably go inside. We'll do a more in-depth garden tour when it's not. I need to turn the water off. A threat of rain. Hello. But yeah, that was our garden. We got a lot done before it started. I'm just gonna get on the porch before it started pouring. Dirt everywhere. But yeah, that was fun. That was a good garden day, I feel like. So I'll come back when it's not about to be a tornado and do a better garden tour so you guys can see more in-depth stuff. But I love how my neighbor is still out cutting his grass. That man is brave. He's crazy. He had a heart attack and then like a week later he was out cutting grass. Wild. Okay. Did you guys hear that? It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go before it tornadoes and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.